Morena, tamariki ma, whānau and kayako. It's good to see you again. Tamariki ma, I thought we might talk about one thing that you might have noticed that is quite different, apart from us not being at school together at the moment. Ārai Kanohi, face masks. You might have seen your nannies or your koros or mums or dads, aunties or uncles or big brothers and sisters wearing them when they go out. It's really important that we wear them at the moment, so I thought we'd have a little talk about them. I've got two kinds of Ārai Kanohi face masks to show you. The first one is a blue one. This is one that you wear one time, only tahi, one time. After you're finished with this one, you can pop it in the rubbish bin. Another kind is this one here. This is a reusable face mask. So when mum or dad or nanny or koro wear this one, they can pop it in the washing machine, wash it, dry it, and then use it again for another time. I wonder if you've seen anyone wearing a face mask while you were going for a walk today, or maybe you went to the doctor. Were there people wearing face masks there? Now we have to talk about where we should wear them. So they are called a face mask. So I think they should go on a pakihiwi, on our shoulders. Is that right? No? Okay. How about on a pukus? That's right, isn't it? This is where my face mask goes, on my puku. No, I'm still wrong. Does it go on my Māhunga, my head? Oh yes, that's very nice. Do you like it? No, I'm still wrong. Oh, can you tell me where it goes? On my kanohi. Of course, it goes on my face. It goes on my ihu, my nose, and on my waha. And these little bits go around my taringas, around my ears. Should we see if Megan's got it right this time? Okay, let's see. Okay. Taringa, taringa, ihu and waha. Yay! I'm wearing my face mask. This is going to keep me and everyone I love very safe. Ka pai tamariki ma. Thank you so much for your help. I'll just take it off for the moment because I'm at home and I don't need to wear my mask at home. Should we sing a song about different body parts? Do you know a song about body parts? Māhunga pakihiwi puku hopi waewae. Oh, that's a good one. We love doing that together, don't we? Okay. Toru fa. Māhunga pakihiwi puku hopi waewae. Māhunga pakihiwi puku hopi waewae. Māhunga pakihiwi puku hopi waewae. Taringa karu ihu waha e. I know. Should we do it faster too? Ka pai. Māhunga pakihiwi puku hopi waewae. Māhunga pakihiwi puku hopi waewae. Māhunga pakihiwi puku hopi waewae. Taringa karu ihu waha e. Oh, paki tamariki ma, ka pai. Now, when you see people around wearing the face mask, you don't need to feel scared or worried. They're wearing them to keep you and your whānau safe. Okay. Stay safe, look after your family and have lots of fun. Ka kite anō, see you soon.